awesome day. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an awesome video and it is my first Balance Athletica haul. So this is my very first order of Balance. I have not had the chance to order from them before. If you aren't familiar with Balance Athletica, they are based out of Denver, Colorado. So they're super awesome. I love that this launch, they put efforts towards feeding America, which I think is also great to support a company that does that. Wanted to do a quick disclaimer. This is not sponsored. Bought this with my own money. I don't work with them in any way. But yeah, so I got this earlier today. I was at work in my front room and on Zoom calls, and as soon as I saw FedEx, I was like racing outside real quick. So I'm super excited to open this up. I did open it, but I haven't actually looked in yet. So let's dig in. This is gonna be super impromptu, just my reaction on everything. So basically I got 4 items, but I got the first 3 in my hands right now, and then I did order one of the pre-sale items, the Sherpa hoodie, and I got it in the color Shore. So I will post all my sizing as I kind of go through everything. The first thing I got was the Serene tee in saltwater, and I got a size large. I got the OG Pant in Lagoon, also a size large. And then lastly, the ISLA, I hope I'm saying that right, ISLA bra in saltwater in medium. So got the blue tonals of the Waves collection, and as you can see, love the color blue. So I'm super excited to let me open these up and see how these look and feel, and then I'll try them on for you. All right, so first item I have here is the Serene tee. Ooh, super pretty. It's so soft, like very cottony, like they were saying. I love that it flares in and goes out. I think that's super flattering. I'm not typically a t-shirt gal, and I know a lot of the other Balance team was saying that. I typically like wearing long sleeves like this, or like a tank top and a jacket over. That's just my preference, but I'm super excited to try this and give it a shot because it looks super flattering on everyone. So that is the t-shirt. All right, next, the OG Pant in Lagoon. So this was one of the items that I was super excited about. Wow. Ooh, it is not the color that I was expecting at all. Like, it's coming off like a lot more like teal, like turquoise. I don't know if it's pulling more blue. I'd have to check back once I'm like looking at this, but this is super pretty. Like, I'm not mad about it at all. I just think when people do their try-on hauls, their words today, geez, take a picture of it in their filters, it's hard to tell what the actual color is, but whoo, super pretty. It's very soft. Similar to, they always compare it to the Aligns, which I think the feel of it's very similar. My Aligns that I have on, which I'll kind of compare, they've been worn a lot, so they're not as soft, but yeah, it's super soft. I love the color. So be interested to see like how it looks together. So that's the OG Pant, and then lastly, the ISLA bra in saltwater. Ooh, so pretty. So this Now this is something that I was expecting for it to like look and feel the way that it looks and feels on camera. I don't know if that makes any sense, but like the fabric, the way it's taken on camera, being shown in video, I think this looks more like it does in person as it does on screen. Super pretty. I'm so excited to try this. So soft, like very silky smooth. Ooh, yes. So I'm gonna get these on and I'll show you what they look like. All right, so this is the full set on with the Serene tee, OG pant, and then I have the bra underneath. I am loving this so much. Oh my gosh. Like, I seriously love the tonal look. Now it's all piecing together of like, even though this color wasn't what I expected, like not in a bad way at all, I'm now seeing what I was seeing on the pictures, so I absolutely love it. Disclaimer, TMI, I am just got my monthly gift, so I am just a little bit more extra bloated as I would be, which is fine. I'm just being real, like, hey, I'm freaking excited about this set. I'm not gonna wait until, you know, oh my gosh, I have the perfect body day. I think that's important to note. Like, obviously I'm just being real and flaunting what I got, and even though there's days that I'm not particularly 100% confident all the time, no one is, but I strive to love my body at every stage, as hard as that may be sometimes, but I am absolutely loving the way that these clothes look and feel. So starting with the shirt, so this definitely is like stretchy. It's not too form-fitting by any means. I think it's super flattering the way it does taper in and then flare out at the hips. It's very natural that way. I love the length of it. I love that you can have it as long as you want. You can kind of like scrunch it up, and then you can also obviously tie it. So then I like that the back isn't too like tight to my skin. I have very broad shoulders, and I just cannot stand when like I feel like I can't even move. I don't know if anyone else can relate. So this is the shirt, and this is the shirt all tied up, which I think is also super cute. For me, being a lot more bloated, like I probably, if I was hypothetically going to the gym, if we weren't quarantined right now, obviously I could tie it up and like wear a jacket over, which I'll show you a little bit later, kind of other ways I would style it. But I think this is super cute tied up. Kind of gives you some options, whether you want it short, if you want to like kind of roll it underneath the bra, have it full length. So love the shirt. And then let's talk about the pants. All right, and then the OG pants, I think they had mentioned that obviously they are a lot more compressive than other pants that they've done. I really like, I was really nervous about the sizing. I did not want to get too tight of pants. So I got a large, like I mentioned, and I think these work great for me with the stage that I'm in, with, you know, still losing weight, not quite where I want to be, but still can like wear it now and later on as well. So I love the pants. I love the butt contour, which it is squat proof. I think it's just super flattering for my bum. Love it. I know there's some mixed reviews on that, just depending on everyone's body type and where their butt matches up, but I'm loving it for me. I love the length of these. I'll compare my lines later on, but I love that these are more of a 7/8. I am 5'3" for reference, so this is a perfect length for me. The only thing, which isn't really a critique on balance, it's more just me and my body. Obviously, as I, you know, this is a very insecure area for me, obviously, that I'm working on. I'm continuing to, you know, lose weight and go towards my fitness goals. So obviously where the seam is hitting me and where obviously I'm holding most of my weight is just kind of where this is more accentuated. But again, not balance's fault, just my own observation. But obviously, like for me, I'd feel most comfortable wearing like a shirt like this or like a jacket over. But yeah, overall, love love the feel. Like they're so comfortable, and like, yes, I'm bloated right now, but like this is not like squeezing me way too tight by any means. I'm loving it. So I'm definitely gonna live in these. So this is the full outfit, and I will show you the bra with it next. All right, and then here is what the bra looks like. I am loving this so much. Like, I thought the leggings were gonna be by far my favorite, which like I still love them, but like the bra is like blowing me away. Like, I love the neckline. I think that's so flattering, like really highlights the girls, if you know what I'm saying. Like, I'm feeling it, and I love the thick strap. I just don't like when bras are too slim here. The only thing that I'm finding is like this will kind of slip up a little bit, but honestly, I think it's just because I am more bloated. I'm not quite like flush here yet, so it's obviously gonna ride up. So, and most of my bras do that anyway, so I more care about like, do I feel supportive up here and like feel like I'm kept in, if you know what I'm saying. So love the back. I love that the back isn't too tight by any means. So I will show you with the leggings what it looks like. Here's with the leggings. So obviously I'd ask that everyone's shows kindness and is not mean about my body or anything like that. Like, let's all be nice to each other and be positive. So for me, I wouldn't necessarily wear it like this, like out and about, just because I don't feel comfortable. Like, nothing against girls who do and go to the gym, like that's awesome. Just I've never been that girl, and I don't know if I ever will be, even when I am like completely confident. I think what I would do if I wore it like this, I'd probably pair it with a jacket over, which I'll show you in a little bit, just so I feel a little bit more covered and not just so exposed. But that's just me. But I love the colors together. I really like the length of how high the leggings go up and where the bra meets. So then, you know, if I do want to wear it like this, if I ever do feel good enough or confident or just comfortable enough to do that, you know, I'm not feeling like I'm showing all my stomach, you know. So I really like that. But yeah, so it's the bra and leggings. I am loving it. I am just feeling myself. Woo woo. All right, so this is option one, just one of my jackets I grabbed. This is, I believe, from Champion, or like, it's probably from like Target or Walmart or something. So here's kind of a neutral option. So like I said before, like I would feel much more comfortable pairing it like this with either open like this, or obviously I can zip it up if I just wanted to kind of show off the bra more, because obviously if I'm wearing the t-shirt I don't really get to see it. So this is just one option that how I would style it. It's kind of more my color option. This is from Old Navy. It's kind of a light baby blue, sky blue. Thought it went perfect with the ocean vibes, the waves. So just another option. Obviously I have like 1,000,010 jackets, but I just picked these two as an example to show you. Obviously you can mix and match other colors. If you got other colorways and tonals, I've been loving seeing like the mismatch of the two. The only thing with the leggings that I'm noticing is that it's kind of like pilling down like that. But honestly, I mean, I don't think any legging is perfect by any means. And I think it's more just due to, you know, in time, I think they'll fit me even better as I continue to slim down, you know, and obviously continue to wear them, and they kind of form more to my body. So very minor in my opinion. Overall, I am loving this so much. I've never felt this good in activewear in a long time. Like, honestly, I've gotten myself in trouble way too much in the past and bought way too many clothes from other brands, and I would get sizes like way too small for me, thinking, oh, I'll fit into them, or oh, I should fit. And like this, I was very conscious of making sure that I can still fit in them now, but something I can carry on through even when I have, you know, lost more weight. So I am super happy. I seriously love this so much. So I wanted to compare the OG pant to the Aligns, just to kind of show you the difference. So obviously, like I mentioned before, I am on my time of the month, so I am definitely more bloated, but you know, hey, just being real. But you know, obviously a black color, darker color is gonna show less of kind of my insecurities, or you know, what I'm not as confident in, than obviously a lighter color. And that's just being logical, but wanted to show you kind of the difference, and just compare, since the OG pants, they do compare them to the Aligns a lot. My Align pants are a little bit of a looser fit, but the Aligns are more of a relaxed comfort fit. I would say OG pant was more of like a compressive butt relaxed fit. Like it just holds you in a little bit, but not too much, which I like. So yeah, just wanted to compare that. And like I said before, like these are much longer on me, so they just lengthwise aren't as well fitted as the OG. So just want to throw that in there for you. All right, well, with that is the Balance Athletica Waves collection review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, like what I was saying before, I seriously love these pieces. Like even for me right now, you know, being on my monthly gift, not necessarily feeling the best with my body and myself, you know, I'm cramping, like the whole 9 yards, girls, you know what I mean? Like, but yet I feel amazing in these clothes. Like and I'm not just saying that, like it's honestly like my true reaction of how I feel this is, and I can't wait to get my Sherpa hoodie in the mail. I'll definitely do a review on that and pair it with all this, pair it with other outfits I think would be super cute, like common stuff you'd have around your closet. So I'm so excited to get that later on in May. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it, and leave your comments below what items you bought from the Waves collection, or any other video suggestions you have for my channel. But I hope everyone's having an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.